Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? It is nice to meet you again in this special occasions. Although we have teaching and learning process, not face-to-face learning, because of we are still in pandemic situations of COVID-19. And in these meetings, it is nice to meet you again. I would like to tell you about the material that I have shared to you in the PowerPoints. In today's meetings. In English paragraph writing course for 6 week for meeting 6. I would like to tell you about organizing informations by order of importance. After the previous material, we have learned more about organizing information by times, and all of you have know well that organizing informations by times is similar with the younger that you have learned when you were in senior high school or in junior high school. It is a recontext. In these meetings, we will try to continue again, the second way of organizing the informations when we are writing. Our focus today is organizing information by order of importance. You could see your book, the handout that I suggest to you to have. This topic placed on chapter 4, entitled Organizing Information by Order of Importance. Order of importance, if we translate it into bahasa Indonesia, means urutan kepentingannya. Okay, in chapter 3, you have learned how to organize information according to time order, previous material. But in this today's meeting, we will learn how to put our informations in order according to its importance. Sometimes when we write in a paragraph, the supporting sentence is more important than the other supporting sentence. And because of there is more important supporting sentence, it's better for us to put it in the beginning or in the end, based on the mood of the writer. Okay, order of importance. It is necessary to organize information according to order of importance. Jadi penting untuk menyusun informasi berdasarkan urutan kepentingannya. You can put the most important piece of information first, or you can save it for the last. So there are two options. First is we highlight the most important come in the beginnings, or we save it in the last. As far as you know that in writing a paragraph, there are three structure. The first is topic sentence, and then supporting sentences, and then the last one is concluding sentence. The place of organizing informations by order of importance, and then time order or maybe space order placed on the supporting sentences. Jadi letaknya menyusun ide di order of importance, atau yang kemarin itu time order, atau yang materi besok itu space order, itu nanti letaknya ada di supporting sentencesnya. In this term, the writer could place the most important supporting sentence in the first, or we save it in the last before concluding sentence. That's the point. Okay, now look at the next material. Recording order of importance. Read the following model paragraph and answer the questions. Yeah, okay, I give you the time to read. Okay, I will try to read. Yeah, there are several ways to learn a new language. One way is to spend a lot of time watching televisions and listening to the radio. Another way is to take classes at a language school or university. The best way to learn a new language is to talk to native speakers. Okay, this is the paragraph, and then the paragraph belong to order of importance. Okay, look at question number one. What is the topic sentence of the paragraph? Yeah, when there is a question asking about the topic sentence, you should read the first sentence in a paragraph. The first sentence in a paragraph is there are several ways to learn a new language. So this is a topic sentence. Okay. Now look at question number two. What three ways, yeah, to learn a new language does the author mention? Okay. Yeah. Based on, yeah, this is the supporting sentences. Yeah, this is the supporting sentences. Yeah, okay. The first is, the answer is to spend a lot of time watching televisions and listening to the radio. That's the first way. The second way is to take classes at a language school or university. Yeah, and then the third way, yeah, is to learn a new language to talk to native speakers. Yeah, so based on the paragraph, there are three ways. Yeah. Okay, when I ask to you, is there a concluding sentence? Apakah ada kalimat penutupnya? The answer is no. Yeah, so in this paragraph, there is no concluding sentence. Okay, as I said to you, concluding sentence, it could be or it wouldn't be, ya, ya, in a paragraph. Jadi bisa ada, bisa tidak ada untuk concluding sentence. But topic sentence should be, ya, should appear in a paragraph. Tapi kalau topic sentence harus muncul. Okay, we have done number two. Now look at number three. What does the author feel is the best way? Ya, apa yang penulis rasakan cara yang terbaik? The best way, please, ya, in the last supporting sentence. Ya, the answer the best way, ya, to learn a new language is to talk to native speakers. Okay, next slide. Yeah, using signal words. Yeah, in writing, in organizing information by order of importance, sometimes we as a writer, yeah, will use a signal word to guide the reader from one idea to the next idea. Jadi kita harus menggunakan signal wordnya yang akan mengguide, membimbing pembaca from one idea to another idea. There are so many ways. Yeah, there are so many signal words that we could use when we want to write, yeah, order of importance in a paragraph. You could see from the box here. Yeah, look at the box here. Yeah, we could use the signal word first of all, for one thing, one reason of that. The next plus noun, for example, the next way, the next step, the next blah 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 blah. Yeah, second, third, also, in additions, another plus nouns, moreover, most importantly, for example, finally, the most important plus noun. They are like the most important thing, the most important way, the most important step, for example. Yeah, so when we want to write the order of paragraph, we should use, it will make our writing readable. Yeah, easy to be read by the reader. Yeah, using the signal word. Okay, now please read this paragraph. Yeah, okay, read this paragraph. Okay, I will read the paragraph. Bad drivers have several annoying habits. First of all, they change lanes often and do not use their turn signal. In addition, they are rude to another driver. They get too close to the car in front of them and they honk their horns. Worst of all, bad drivers ignore the speed limit and drive as fast or slow as they want. Okay, so in this paragraph belongs to organizing information by order of importance, and there is a signal word. Yeah. Okay, we try to underline the signal word. The signal word is first of all. This is the signal word. Sorry. Yeah, and then next is in addition. Yeah, and then the last is words of all. So there are three signal words that are used by the writer. Okay. Okay, next, material is ordering ideas according to importance. I ask you to do, yeah, to do individually. Yeah, please do, yeah, this sub material on page 28 until page 30. Yeah, number one, A number 1 until number 3, and then B number 1 until number 3. Okay, you could do it by yourself after having explanation from me. Okay, and the next slide is equal order paragraph. Ya, paragraf yang urutannya setara. Ya, okay. Sometimes you might feel that all of the point you are using as support are equally important. Jadi kadang-kadang kita tuh merasa bahwa semua poin yang kita gunakan to support the main idea, to support the topic sentence are equally important. Ya. Okay. In this case, ya, you list your point one by one. Jadi kalau seperti ini ya, kita melist poin kita one by one. The order that you use is your choice. Okay, look at the paragraph. Yeah, read the model of paragraph and notice that the author give equal weight to each point. Okay, look at the first topic. Look at the first questions. What is the topic sentence? Yeah. Okay, it is easy for us to identify the topic sentence. The topic sentence placed on the first sentence. Yeah, there are several things you can do to protect yourself when it gets very hot outside. That's the topic sentence. This is the topic sentence. Okay, and then question number 2: how many points does the author discuss? How many points we could see? Yeah. Look at the signal words. Yeah. Okay, the first of all, the ones. Yeah, first of all, you should avoid strenuous activity until the sun goes down. Yeah, this is first. And then in addition, it is good idea to wear lightweight and light color clothing. Yeah, second, yeah, it is also important to eat less food and drink more liquid. Yeah, 3, sorry. And then the last is finally try to stay in air conditioned building or go to the beach or the mountains. Yeah, so how many points? There are 4 points. Okay, class, is it easy to follow? Yeah. Okay, if there is no other questions, yeah, please do, yeah, please do page 28 entitled ordering ideas according to order of importance, point A and point B. In each point there are 3 number. And then before we close, yeah, I suggest to you also to write, yeah, a paragraph based on the topic, yeah, placed on page 32. Yeah, so please write a paragraph. The topic you could choose on page 32. Yeah, they are tip number 1, tips for staying healthy. Number 2, ways to do well in school. And the number 3, things I like to do on the weekends. Okay, and we will have discussions in a WhatsApp group because of I have rapat kerja in the university. Thank you.